Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you will be fine today. Fine. Are you ready to learn English lesson? Okay, I'm sure that you're ready to learn English lesson. So what is today's lesson? Today's lesson is about how to introducing yourself to others, to your friend, to someone else. How to introduce yourself. Okay? And how to begin to say it. For example, if you want to introduce yourself, how to begin to say it, how to begin to talk it, and what the parts to take it. What are the parts to say it? Okay. Okay, here is the words or phrases to begin your introducing to the others friend or maybe to someone else. Allow me to introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. I want to introduce myself. I would like to introduce myself. Let's say my name. May I say my name? Arti semuanya itu adalah saya ingin memperkenalkan diri. Izinkan saya memperkenalkan diri. Oke? Nah, apa saja sih bagian yang harus diperkenalkan? What are the parts to say it? Oke, apa saja yang harus diperkenalkan? Contohnya di sini kalian awali dengan opening yang tadi ya. Kemudian sebutkan nama, name-nya, kemudian nickname, address, your domicile, your home, kemudian school, and your class. Your age, your old, your hobbies, transportation, how do you go to school? By car, by motorcycle, or maybe on foot. What is your father's name? Kemudian father's job, mother's name, kemudian mother's job. Maybe do you have close friend at a new school? Okay. Kemudian baru apakah kamu mempunyai pet? Do you have any pets in your home? How about your pet? Baru kemudian di sini ada closing-nya. Sekarang kita mulai dari bagian pertama. Sebutkan nama, tentang nama. Oke, tentu saja openingnya. Boleh let me introduce myself. Boleh I would like to introduce myself. Boleh menggunakan frase yang lain. Kemudian di sini tentang nama. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Can I say my name? Boleh seperti itu. My name is. My name's. Kemudian I am atau I'm. Oke. Sebutkan namanya. Kemudian nickname itu nama panggilan. My friend always call me atau my nickname is. You can call me. Oke, call me. Oke, nama pendeknya. Kemudian yang keduanya selanjutnya yaitu where is your home? Where do you stay? Oke, yang ininya. Pertanyaannya pasti where do you live? Where is your address? Oke, kalian no, I live precisely is at. Sekarang saya tepatnya tinggal di is at. At sebutkan jalannya, kemudian nomor rumahnya. Oke, jalan kemudian nomor rumahnya. Di situ ada on, yaitu untuk apa? Untuk nama jalannya. Kemudian di sini ada in. In ini untuk kota-kota kecil atau kota besar. Contoh, I live precisely at Geraha Indah Pamulang number 27. Oke. On Jalan Mujair Pamulang in South Tangerang. Contoh di bawahnya, my address is at Jalan Mawar number 45 on Bintaro, RT6. Oke. And RW8 in Bintaro, South Jakarta. Itu untuk menyatakan tentang alamat. Ingat, di situ ada penggunaan preposisi place yaitu at. Oke, lengkap dia menggunakan jalan, kemudian menggunakan nomor rumah. Oke, kemudian on-nya yaitu nama jalan dan Bintaronya. Kemudian di sini in-nya Bintaro, South Jakarta. Untuk in-nya itu untuk kota kecil, kemudian kota-kota yang besar, bisa juga untuk nama negara. Oke, itu preposisi place untuk in. Kemudian apalagi menyatakan tentang sekolah atau kelas. Nah, bagaimana cara ngomongnya? Di sini, Today I study at SMPN berapa? South Jakarta. Di sini ke Jakarta Selatan. Today, now I study at SMPN berapa? Sebutkan kotanya. Atau boleh menggunakan kalimat yang lain. My school is at SMPN berapa? Sebutkan kota besarnya. Oke. Sekarang kemudian kelasnya. I study at the 7th grade. Di sini menggunakan cardinal numbers, yaitu 7th, bilangan tingkat. Oke. 7th grade. Sekarang saya di kelas 7. My class is 7th grade. I am the 7th grade. Boleh seperti itu. Boleh menggunakan I study at, my class is, kemudian I am the 7th grade. Itu untuk menyebutkan tentang sekolah dan kelas. Okay, students. Next. How to say about your age and old. Oke. Pilihannya banyak di sini. Oke. Contohnya, I'm 11 years old. My old is 11. I'm 11 years old. Jadi pilihannya banyak sekali. Tentang ulang tahunnya, I was born on August 12, 2006. So I'm 11 years old. I was born on August. Perhatikan di sini penulisannya, nanti penyebutannya, sayingnya dia menggunakan preposisi on. Kenapa di depannya ada nama bulan? I was born on August 12, 2006. So I'm 11 years old. Nah, sekarang how to say about your hobbies. Oke, hobbies di sini. Boleh menggunakan pilihannya, tidak harus hobi aja. Bila bisa menggunakan like, bisa menggunakan love di sini. Atau bisa juga menggunakan prefer, atau bisa juga menggunakan can, ya. I like swimming. My hobby is swimming. My hobbies are swimming and hiking. I love swimming. I prefer swimming. I always spend my leisure time swimming. I always swim. I like swimming. My hobby is swimming. My hobbies are swimming and hiking. Ingat, untuk mengucapkannya dan menuliskannya, oke, kata kerjanya tetap ditambahi dengan ing. Oke, swimming, hiking, reading, writing, singing, cooking, gardening, oke, climbing, hiking, climbing, oke, kemudian playing game, oke. Jadi menggunakan verb ing. Kenapa? Karena bisa dibulak-balik nantinya, biar bisa menjadi jiran-jirannya nanti berbentuk subjek. Contoh, my hobby is swimming. Nanti dibalik, swimming is my hobby. My hobbies are swimming and hiking. Swimming and hiking are my hobbies. Oke, apabila hobinya yaitu lebih dari satu, maka mengucapkannya adalah hobbies. Kemudian to be-nya yaitu are menggunakannya. Oke. Apabila hanya satu, menggunakan to be-nya is. My hobby is swimming. Sedangkan lebih dari satu, my hobbies are swimming and hiking. Oke. Sekarang menggunakan I love. I love swimming. Swimming is my love, bukan, tapi swimming is my hobby. Tapi dia menggunakan kata kerjanya love di sini. Oke. Sekarang selanjutnya yaitu transportation. How do you come to school? How do you go to school? Oke. I come to school by motorcycle, public transportation, or by car. Kalau yang jaraknya dekat, I come to school on foot. I go to school by car or cycle. I go to school by bike. I go to school on foot. Oke, transportation. Sekarang, bagaimana cara menggunakan have pet-nya di sini? I have a pet. His name is, namanya sebutkan, his name is Molly. It's a cat. I love pet. My pet is cat. His name is Molly. Her name is Molly. Okay. Good. I like feeding my pet. His name is Molly. It's cat. I like feeding my pet. His name is Molly. It is cat. Now it's your turn to practice how to introduce yourself to other person or maybe to your friend. Okay. Use the opening and then the parts to introduce yourself. Okay. very much for your watching. Thank you very much for your time and watching. See you next time. Bye bye.